Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the phone or calls section in Settings. This gets you straight to the controls you need. Once there, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and airplane mode is disabled because those block calls. Next, check for a system or carrier update and install it. Updates often fix call issues. Finally, restart the phone to apply changes. These first steps remove common blockers and prepare the device so deeper call settings will take effect immediately. Now you'll handle the middle, more detailed settings that control routing and permissions. Go into call forwarding and disable unintended forwarding. Toggle caller ID settings to show or hide your number as needed. If calls drop or quality is poor, enable Wi-Fi calling so your calls use a stable connection. Also review blocked numbers and your voicemail configuration to ensure legitimate calls aren't filtered. Once done, test a call to confirm these settings. Finish by making a few test calls to different numbers and note whether the problem persists. This confirms successful changes. If you still see issues, reset network settings to clear stale configurations, but remember this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN profiles. If resetting doesn't help, swap SIMs or test another phone to isolate a hardware or carrier problem, and then contact your carrier for provisioning or network faults. Tip: if calls cut out, check signal bars and switch to Wi-Fi calling before calling support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.